We know how healthy and nutritious some foods are, but some of them may not be as healthy as we think. In this video, we look at 12 foods that aren't as healthy as you might think. Searching for healthy and nutritious foods in the grocery store has become increasingly complicated as shelves fill up with more and more products to appeal to shoppers who want to eat healthier. Some brands include low-fat, gluten-free, low-carb, vegan, etc. on their product labels. To help you with this, in this video we talk about foods that we use every day but are not aware of their harms. At the end of the video we also explored how important a healthy diet is for human health. We recommend that you watch the video to the end. If you want to get information on other important issues related to healthy and long life, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Here are 12 foods that are not as healthy as you think. Granola bars are known as healthy foods, especially in terms of body energy. While some granolas are highly nutritious, many contain added sugar and are very high in calories. Prolonged consumption of granola bars with additives is associated with obesity, fatty liver and heart disease. So instead of buying pre-packaged granola bars, you can make your own granola bars at home with dried fruits. Yogurt is a very beneficial food for health, however, unsweetened. Plain yogurts should be preferred as much as possible. Even a small amount of flavored, fruity yogurt can contain a lot of sugar. Instead of flavored yogurt, try adding fresh fruit to homemade yogurt. Many people are under the impression that the higher the protein in food and drink, the healthier it is. Foods that are naturally high in protein, such as eggs, beans and fish, are healthy. But protein bars and protein drinks may not be as beneficial as you think. Many of them contain artificial sweeteners, artificial colors, oils, and thickeners. If you need extra protein, you can get it naturally from foods that contain protein. People with gluten-related conditions and people with celiac disease should avoid gluten. In addition, even if a food is gluten-free, this does not mean it is healthy. Some processed gluten-free snacks can be high in calories and added sugar. A food that is low in fat is generally considered healthy. But food manufacturers replace fat with sugar to compensate for the loss of flavor in low-fat foods. Fat-free products may also be less filling than other types, so remember to read the labels on the foods you buy. Include healthy fats such as olive oil and avocado oil in your diet. Most breakfast cereals are made from refined grains and are low in protein and fiber. They can also be high in added sugar. Consuming breakfast cereals consistently and in large quantities can increase the risk of heart disease. Most people who eat a Western diet consume too much omega-6 rich fats and not enough omega-3. Therefore, it may be better to reduce the intake of foods high in omega-6 fats. Soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil are rich in omega-6. Omega-3 sources are flaxseed oil, oily fish and walnuts. Homemade smoothies are one of the most nutritious ways to increase fruit and vegetable consumption. However, ready-made smoothies can contain a lot of calories and sugar. So instead of ready-made smoothies, opt for healthy smoothies that you can prepare at home with your own hands. Sports drinks are used to boost energy and athletic performance. However, they can contain large amounts of stimulants such as added sugar, caffeine, and artificial colorings. Some athletes may need to drink sports drinks to replace lost nutrients after intense exercise. However, people who are just doing their normal daily activities do not need to drink energy drinks. Many sports drinks contain shocking amounts of sugar. Likewise, energy drinks can be extremely high in added sugar. Researchers have linked drinking sugary drinks to health problems, such as high blood pressure, fatty liver and obesity in children and young people. Although diet soda contains no sugar and 0 calories, research shows that those who regularly drink diet soda are more likely to develop certain health problems than those who don't drink it. For example, increased belly fat is also associated with an increased risk of metabolic syndrome, a group of symptoms that include blood sugar, blood pressure, and blood fat levels. Some vegan and plant-based meat products can be high in ultra-processed ingredients, sugar, and salt. Instead of buying ready-made vegan meat products, you can try making your own meals at home. You can make plant-based burgers with black beans, rice, mushrooms, and cashews. Hazelnut milk is one of the most preferred products, especially for those who are sensitive to dairy products. However, some plant-based milks use added sugar to improve their taste. To reduce the intake of added sugar, it is recommended that you choose unsweetened plant-based milk. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. It provides the body with the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed to function optimally. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It can also improve mood, cognitive function, and energy levels, and promote healthy weight management. Additionally, a healthy diet can support the immune system, enhance the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses, and promote overall longevity and quality of life. Incorporating a healthy diet into one's lifestyle can also have positive effects on mental health. Studies have shown that consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while limiting processed and high-fat foods, can reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Furthermore, maintaining a healthy diet can improve sleep patterns, which can also have a positive impact on mental health. A healthy diet can also benefit specific populations, such as pregnant women and children. A well-balanced diet that includes adequate amounts of nutrients, such as folic acid, iron, and calcium, can support healthy fetal development and reduce the risk of birth defects. For children, a healthy diet can promote growth and development and improve cognitive function and academic performance. In summary, adopting a healthy diet can have numerous benefits for individuals of all ages and backgrounds. It can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve physical and mental health, and support healthy growth and development. You can support us by liking the video, writing your thoughts on the subject in the comments, and subscribing to the channel for the development of the channel and more such content.